India just launched its first state AI policy. OpenAI is building hardware, and a single breach exposed 22 million records. This is not future news. This is January 2026. Rajasthan unveils India's first AI ML policy this week, aligning with national AI governance. AI is officially moving from experiments to regulation. OpenAI is no longer just software. Its first AI device is moving manufacturing to Foxconn, signaling a serious hardware play. DeepSeek drops a new AI architecture that cuts training costs dramatically. Markets react, chips rise, consumer tech falls, infrastructure wins. Meanwhile, cyber reality hits hard. Aflac loses 22 million records. A space agency breach leaks 200 gigabytes. AI is speeding attackers up, not slowing them down. 2026 is clear. AI is regulated, AI is autonomous, AI is risky, and companies that don't adapt won't survive. Follow Wordy for daily AI intelligence.